Hello and welcome to another Ruth Faulkner Library online resources tutorial. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can access the West Australian and the Sunday Times digital edition with your library card for free. You can collect a newspaper from the safety of your own couch without getting the dog or opening the door. All you need to do is log into your library account. So you need to visit the library catalogue. And then you need to look on the right-hand side, just at the top, and you'll find a button which says Your Account. Click on that, type in your library barcode and your password, and then scroll on down. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see, strangely enough, the West Australian and Sunday Times digital edition. If you click on that title, it will take you directly to the West Australian database. There you can choose by date, by day, you can search, or you can simply just click and open today's paper. You can navigate your paper by clicking on the left side to go backwards, on the right side to go forwards, very much like reading a book or turning a page. We're really happy to bring you the daily news right from the comfort of your own couch, and we hope to see you back in the library soon, sitting on one of our couches reading our newspapers. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you back in the library when we reopen.